Welcome to Satish Science Teacher YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the book back evaluations, especially the answer in brief section as well as answer in detail section. So today we are going to see the book back evaluations from Standard 8 Science book, Unit 14, Acids and Bases. So first answer in briefly, define acid. So define acid, a substance which contains one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms. That is answer, a substance which contains one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms. Next question, answer in briefly. Second question, write any four physical properties. So physical properties of acids are sour in taste, they are corrosive in nature, strong acids can spoil substances like human skin, clothes and paper. And generally acids exist in liquid state, but few acids exist in solid state as well. As example, benzoic acid. Acids are colorless. Acids change the color of the indication. Blue litmus paper turns red and methyl orange turns pink when treated with acids. They are soluble in water. Solutions of acids conduct electricity due to ionization in water. So acids are colorless means there is no specific color found in the acids and they are soluble in water. So whatever the acid is there, you can add with water and thereby they can dissolve. Okay. So next question, what are the similarities between acids and bases? The answer for this question is acids are generally corrosive in nature. The same way the bases are also corrosive in nature. See this? Bases are generally corrosive in nature. And they can conduct the electricity in aqueous solution. So in the same way the bases are also conduct the electricity in aqueous solution. So these are the 2 points which is the common characters of the bases and acids. Next one, state the difference between acids and bases. So what are the difference? So they produce hydrogen H plus ions in water. Acids are sour in taste. Few acids are in solid state. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. Bases, they produce hydroxyl ions in water. They are bitter in taste. Most of the bases are in solid state. Bases turn red litmus to paper blue. So these are the differences between acids and bases. ஸோ நம்ம மெடிக்கல் ஸ்டோரில் போய் சேர்த்து புண்ணுன்னு நம்ம மருந்து கேட்டோம்னா அவங்க வந்து பென்சோயிக் ஆசிட்னு ஒன்று கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ அந்த ஆசிட் வந்து சாலிட் ஃபார்மில் தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ ஃபியூ ஆசிட்ஸ் ஆர் இன் சாலிட் ஸ்டேட் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பார்த்தீங்களா, அதுக்கு கிளாசிக்கல் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து பென்சோயிக் ஆசிட்ஸ் தான். அதே மாதிரி பேசஸ்ன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சால்ட், எல்லா சால்ட்டுமே வந்து சாலிடில் தான் இருக்கும். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு எந்த சால்ட்டும் அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது, நீங்கள் தைரியமாக சொல்லலாம். ஸோ and the acids are produce hydrogen ions in water. ஸோ ஒரு ஆசிட் எடுத்து வாட்டரில் நம்ம டிசால்வ் பண்ணோம்னா நிறைய ஹைட்ரஜன் ஆட்டம்ஸ் இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி ஒரு சால்ட்டை நம்ம கரைச்சோன்னா ஹைட்ராக்சில் அயன்ஸ் வந்து அதில் நிறைய ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஆசிட்ஸ் வந்து எப்போவுமே வந்து சோர் டேஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும், வேறஸ் த பேசஸ் ஆர் பிட்டர் இன் டேஸ்ட். சோர்னு என்ன புளிப்பும் கசப்புமாக இருக்கும், வேறஸ் சால்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி தோற்பாக அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட், வாட் இஸ் அன் இண்டிகேட்டர்? So a chemical substance which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution by suitable color change. A chemical substance which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution by suitable color change. Next question, what is a neutralization reaction? So what is neutralization reaction? Reaction between an acid and base which produces water and salt is neutralization reaction. Reaction between an acid and base which produces water and salt is known as neutralization reaction. So next, answer in brief section, write any four physical properties of base. So difference between acids and bases. Acids, they produce hydrogen ions. ஸோ நம்ம இதை அந்த ஆல்ரெடி கொஸ்டின்ஸில் பார்த்தோம். பட் இப்போ என்ன கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் பேசஸ் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நம்ம அதை பார்க்கலாம் இப்போது. ஸோ ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் பேசஸ். Bases generally exist in solid state, but some bases exist in liquid state also. Example, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Bases give soapy touch only in aqueous medium, not in dry nature. Bases are bitter in taste. Bases are corrosive in nature. When in contact with the skin frequently, it forms a painful blisters. Bases are generally colorless. Bases also change the color of the indicators. Red litmus paper turns blue when treated with bases. Similarly, they turn methyl orange to yellow and phenolphthalein to the pink color. Bases also conduct electricity in aqueous solution. So these are the basic properties of bases. In your book, they are asking only 4 points. So if you have the time to read all the points, or otherwise you can look it into 4 points only. Next, we will see answer in detail section. What are the uses of acids? So uses of acids are hydrochloric acid present in our stomach helps in the digestion of food materials. Vinegar is used to preserve the food materials. Benzoic acid is also used to preserve the food materials like pickles. Sodium or potassium salts of higher fatty acids are used to make washing and bathing soaps. Sulfuric acid is called the king of the chemicals. So sometimes they are asking what is the king of the chemical? The answer is sulfuric acid. It is an effective dehydrating agent. It is used in various industries to make detergents, paints, fertilizers and mainly more chemicals. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acids are important laboratory reagents. Cells of all living organisms contain the fundamental nuclear material called nucleic acids. Animals have deoxyribonucleic acids, whereas the plant contains ribonucleic acids. So these are the uses of acids. So that's all about the uses of acids. Next, what are the uses of bases? So uses of bases: potassium hydroxide is used to make bathing soaps. Sodium hydroxide is used to make washing soaps. ஸோ நம்ம குளிக்கிறது எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பொட்டாசியம் ஹைட்ராக்சைடு, வேற துணி துவைக்கிறது வந்து சோடியம் ஹைட்ராக்சைடு யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். சோடியம் ஹைட்ராக்சைடு இஸ் ஆல்சோ யூஸ்ட் இன் பேப்பர் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ், டெக்ஸ்டைல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரீஸ் அண்ட் இன் த ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் ஆஃப் மெடிசின்ஸ். கால்சியம் ஹைட்ராக்சைடு இஸ் யூஸ்டு ஃபார் ஒயிட் வாஷிங். Aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxides are used in antacids to cure acidity problems. ஸோ நம்ம வயிற்றில் எப்போவுமே இறைச்சலாக இருக்குது, ஏப்போ வந்துகிட்டே இருக்குது, அந்த மாதிரி டாக்டர் எப்போனா ஆன்டாசிட் சிறப்பு எழுதி கொடுப்பாங்க, ஜெல்சல் சிறப்பு. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அலுமினியம் ஹைட்ராக்சைடும் மெக்னீஷியம் ஹைட்ராக்சைடும் இருக்கும். Ammonium hydroxide is used to manufacture fertilizers, nylon, plastics and rubber. So these are the points under the heading of uses of bases. Explain the neutralization reactions in our daily life. So neutralization reactions in our daily life la pathina B bite அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Balancing acids and bases is important for our health and our for environment. We come across various neutralization reactions in our day-to-day daily life. Let us see. Bee bite. Whenever bees or red ants bite us, they inject an acid called formic acid into our body. This acid causes burning sensation and pain. So to suppress this pain, you can apply the salt solution over that area. So next one is wasp bite. When we are bitten by wasp, we feel the burning sensation and pain in that area. It is due to an alkaline substance injected by the insect. To neutralize the alkalinity, we use the vinegar, which is an acid. Next one is tooth decay. Generally, it is dissolved by the doctors. It is advised by the doctors that we should brush our teeth twice a day. This is because the bacteria present in our mouth decompose the food particles stuck into the gap between our teeth, thereby causing the acid formation that leads to the tooth decay. So to prevent this, we are neutralizing the acid by using the toothpastes. And next one is acidity. As we know, hydrochloric acid present in our stomach helps in the digestion of our food materials along the enzymes secreted by the liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Sometimes it is excessively produced by the stomach, that is hydrochloric acid level. There is a need of neutralization this acid. For that, the doctors recommend the aluminum magnesium hydroxides. Okay. Next one is agriculture. Acidic soil is not suitable for plant growth, so farmers add lime fertilizers such as powdered calcium oxide, limestones or ashes to burnt wood to the soil, so they neutralizes the acidity. So next one is industrial purposes. Effluents from the industries contain acids such as sulfuric acid. It is treated by adding slimes to the neutralize before discharge into the rivers and streams. So these are some of the examples of neutralization reactions in our day-to-day life. So that's all about the detailing. Third question. Next question is, how will you prepare natural indicator from turmeric powder? By adding small amount of water to the turmeric powder, a paste is prepared. This is applied on a blotting paper or filtered paper and dried. These strips are used as indicators to find the nature of the solutions. In acidic solution, turmeric indicator paper has no change in color. That means it remains yellow. In basic solution, the color changes from yellow to red. So that's all about this detailed question. So that's all the detailed questions from this lesson. So go through it again and again, and thanks for listening without skipping this video. And do share with your friends. If you are not subscribed, not yet, please do subscribe this channel. So thanks for listening. Thank you.